How to get a random number between a float range. Rand range start stop only takes integer arguments. So how would I get a random number between two float values?
Use random.uniform a, b.
If you want to generate a random float with n digits to the right of point, you can make this. The second argument is the number of decimals.
Random.uniform a, b appears to be what you're looking for. From the docs, return a random floating point number n such that a equals n equals b for a equals b and b equals n equals a for b less than a. See here.
Most commonly, you'd use Python provides other distributions if you need. If you have numpy imported already, you can use its equivalent. Again, if you need another distribution, numpy provides the same distributions as Python, as well as many additional ones.
From my experience dealing with Python, I can only say that the random function can help in generating random float numbers. Take the example below. The two sets of code generates random float numbers. You can try experimenting with it to give you what you want.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.